Disha. Before I take you through the news of the day, I would like to appeal to all our viewers that take all the precautions which are very needed, like wash your hands every day till 20 minutes, and take all the precautions like make social distancing, wear your mask, and wash your hands. Now the headlines of the day are: PM Mr. Narendra Modi appeals that now COVID has been spread too much, so we have to take all the precautions. If we take all the precautions, so we will won the war with COVID-19. Now CM Yogi Adityanath is also affected by COVID-19 because of their officers. Now the 10th CBSE board examination will not held, but 12th CBSE board examination will held, but it is postponed. So now we have guests. So sir and ma'am, as we all know that now people are vaccinated and they are not taking precautions. They are thinking that taking precautions because we are vaccinated, there is no need to take precautions. So what do you think that people have to take precautions or not?
Now you have seen the vaccine is going on, and many people they have took the vaccine, and after vaccinated they are thinking about we don't need to take any precaution because don't need to take any precaution because they are taking very lightly. They don't need to take lightly because corona is very harm for them, and they are after vaccinated they don't need to take alcohol and wine because it affect their immunity system, and their immunity system is very decreasing, and after that they are also corona.
Okay, so ma'am, one question for you also that earlier you have seen it corona is affecting to just elder person, like after 48 it is affecting, not to children, but now it is affecting to children also. So what are precautions children should also take?
In last year, the corona was affecting by the old people also, and in this year, the corona is affecting by the children also. So it is also very harmful for the children especially. So what we have to do, we have to take on the precautions, and the children should take the precautions in school if they are going. So they have to forget their friendship and all. They have to forget their handshake and all. They don't have to do handshake. They have to keep distancing and sanitizer and all. And they don't have to touch in their face and all. And but if the school will remain closed, so the student will have to remain at home only. She or he don't have to go in tuitions, institutions and all. And if there will be school, so the children will have to take precautions in schools.
Okay, ma'am. And now, sir, after vaccinated, as you said, we don't have to drink alcohol after vaccinated. So, what were problems were faced by people after vaccinated?
And you have seen after vaccinated we need our immunity system is very strong. Without immunity system in this period we can't live because corona is very harm, and we need every children and every older people, they need their immunity system is strong. That's why and alcohol, when they are after vaccination they are drinking alcohol and they take alcohol, it decrease their immunity system.
Okay. So, ma'am, as you see that in last year it has been lockdown, and I think today is this year also it has been lockdown. So, it is also lockdown is affecting children's study.
Yes, in present year also. In last year, the year was means in last 2020, there was whole year was remain closed, and means it was spoiled. And in this year, I think also it is going to be closed. Schools in this year, our whole year will also spoil in this year. And the children, especially who are giving their board exams and all, it is very difficult for them also to, because their papers can held also not also. The competitive exams can held also not also. So it will be very difficult for the student to study in this year also. And if in this year also it will be locked down, so in upcoming year 2022, in upcoming year it will be very difficult for a student to learn or to means to be in good in studies and all.
Okay, ma'am, last question but not the least, that it has been locked down. I think it has been locked down in here also, but after future when corona has been rid off, so it is after going out corona, when schools are open means it is affected to children's study after in 2022.
Yes, it will affect because in 2 year, it will be gap in this 2 year 2020 and 2021. So obviously 2022 there will be gap, and it will affect very much in student studies. And when students will go to school to learn, and also the students who are in board exams or who are in very serious classes, their studies will also go very bad.
Okay, sir. So same question for you also, sir. What's are your opinion about this?
In 2019, you have seen the children's 1 year is very spoiled, and it's run to 2021 because this is happened because you have seen the 10th class board is cancelled. That's why this unfortunately things is happen because of corona.
Okay, sir. Thank you for giving us your precious time. So now take all the precautions which are very important. Like wash your hands, make social distancing, and wear your mask. And if there is very urgent to go outside from house, otherwise there is no need to go outside from the house. Stay home, stay safe.